Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's unusual here. So I've been thinking everyone is complaining about financial, stagnation and all of that, which is definitely something that we all are going through in Nigeria. If you're not going through it, this video is not for you. So I want to start something new and I want you guys to come along with me. I want it to be something that we all can do together, which is why I have decided to take it upon myself. Yes, to take you guys. I want us, that's we, to, go through this process and, tell you or share everything I know on how to make money on social media because I literally got monetized on YouTube and I feel like okay, because I'm not the type to gatekeep. I want to actually share some of the things that I know on how to make money on social media, how to, monetize your knowledge, what you know, and all of that. Like no fluff, no expert vibes, just, me teaching you everything that I've learned along the way while trying to learn this social media and all that. And if you have ever said, I know how to edit videos on CapCut, I know how to shoot, I know how to, I know the best angles for photos, I know how to edit, I know how to, dance, I know how to cook, but you just don't know, how to maneuver your way on this social media thing. You don't know how to get things straight on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Although I'm not really that much on Facebook, but I can tell you a lot because I used to have a page. I just lost interest ever since I lost my big page on Facebook. So yeah, that's basically, you know, so if you're, confused on how to, make this money on social media, we're all the same because I'm also growing. I'm a little creator here, a small creator, just that, my YouTube is doing better than my TikTok. So what I'm going to say is I want us to, do this together. Because I feel like the money on social media is enough for everybody if you know what you are doing. So I am willing to, sacrifice my time, my data, and, teach you because as I'm teaching you, I am learning. Are you going to make mistakes? Definitely. Am I going to make mistakes? Definitely. But the ability to be able to, learn and correct your mistakes, that is the most important thing here. So if you are down, let's grow together. I'll be sharing tips, real conversations. I'm just going to hold your hand on this journey. And probably there'll be mistakes, so but just know it's that it's actually part of the growth and learning. So if you're serious, if you're down, then let's make this knowledge. Let's make this whole thing start giving us money. When I mean money, like when you're earning in dollars, you're earning in foreign currency. The only time you can actually be free in Nigeria is when you are making money in dollars. If you're still earning 50K, 100K, I don't know how much your transportation costs you, but for me, for InDrive to take me around Lagos, sometimes I spend like 20K for just one trip. So imagine if I'm having a job that pays me 50,000 naira. How am I going to be surviving? So, ciao, ciao.